Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy tickets on Ticketek. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to create an account here on the Ticketek platform if you haven't already. And after that, purchasing a ticket here is a very straightforward and easy process, alright? Now, once you have opened your browser, use the search bar to type in the name of the event, artist, or venue you are interested in. For example, I'm going to be looking forward for the Alien Ant Farm, maybe a reunion concert. Okay, so the venue is in Newcastle, alright? When you click on the find tickets, what will happen is you would be forwarded here to another section. There you go. So you have all this information to the dashboard. There's the general admission. It's 29. Admits 14 plus, under 16s to be accompanied by an adult. All right. Now, if you choose a delivery option, you have the mobile ticket, which is going to be sent via SMS. Okay. And there's also the print at home or PDF if you wanted the physical ticket that you want to present during the gate entrance. Okay. Now, when you click on this one, what will happen is, how many tickets would you like to purchase? That's going to be one for me and for myself. Just click on next. You see the pricing and fee and information will be sent forward in the checkout process. Okay. Now, here's your ticket. All ticket items includes a VAT and a lot more. Go to checkout, and that's going to be on the last process when purchasing ticket here or buying ticket here in Ticketek. It's a very straightforward process, really. It's a breeze. Okay. Now you're gonna have all the information. I suggest you read and understand what's inside on your ticket. You see, you have the all of these. You can also click on the review order if you wanted. Of course, you need to sign in again just to make sure we're on track. You see all these. And then afterward, the next thing that you need to do is simply go to the payment section. After that, you would receive a email confirmation that you have already purchased the Ticketek with regards to the Alien Ant Farm type of concert, right? Otherwise, if you have more questions and getting problems buying or purchase here in Ticketek, you might want to contact the customer support service, and they will give you insights on how to successfully purchase a ticket if you encounter any issues. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.